So today it's the last day of our welcome week. We met a lot of people, we met different personalities, different characters, and it's what I like, is what everybody has his own goals, but we will all help each other during this year to achieve them.
I have classmates, schoolmates from different kind of country, and I'm very glad to work with them in the next year.
The combination of the quality of the program, the opportunities as well, and the alumni network, but also the location, the fact that we're in Barcelona, such a diverse and fun city, for me it was a no-brainer.
From an Esade experience, I expect to get to know a lot of new people, to build friendships, and to be as well on the professional side as on the personal side an expert after this year, and to have a really great time at Esade.
What I expect of my program is, of course, to learn about many competencies, having the knowledges and all the skills to face the different marketing challenges.
I'm currently doing digital business. It has so many content related to metaverse, blockchain, big data. So I think this one is so unique.
Entrepreneurial scene and the startup scene is where I want to move into, and I hope that after completing my program here that I will soon enough create my own startup.
I'm really expecting to have clear career goals, but also to learn about other people and about myself as well in a personal way.
Get a chance to sit with people who are like me, who think in the same manner, whose vision is pretty similar.
I expect that after graduating I will have built up an incredible network who will help me and who I can potentially help throughout our future in different situations, whatever they might be.